Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. I am Vishali Gupta and we will again start our chapter 2 addition, and today's topic is story sums. Today's topic is story sums. So you must have read story sums in your previous class also. In story sums there would be a story or a line given about something and you have to solve the sum then. So let's read the question here. The population means how many people live in an area, that is called population, of 3 towns are, 3 towns means in a way 3 places are this: 50,138, 1,52,650 and 85,937. So what is their total population? So we need to find out what is their total population. So just see the keyword here. What is the keyword? Total. And for total, what we do? How many total fingers I have in my both hands? Here 5 and here also 5. If I ask what are the total number of fingers in my both hands, so you will be adding both. Now, so that's why we will always find some keyword. Like when total is there, it means we need to plus in this question. So always wherever story sums come, so you need to see that there would be plus, minus, multiply or divide in those questions. So total, in all of them, both the, these are some keywords where you have to do plus in all these questions. So let's see, and now let's make the statement. So the population of 3 towns means 3 numbers are given to us. So it means 3 main statements will be there. So first statement is population of first town. So what is the population of first town? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit numbers are here. So we are going to start writing from here. 5, 0, 1, 3, 8. 5, 0, 1, 3, 8. Understood? Next number is 1,52,000. Next number is of 6 digit. So we have to see that if a number is of 5 digits, so we will end it here. And if next number is of 6 digit, we have to mention the places up to lakh. This is a very important thing. So 1,52,650 is the second number. Let's move to third number. The third number is 85,937. So what is the total population? For total population we need to do plus, and here are no numbers, so we will put 0. So let's add these now. 8 plus 0 plus 7 is 15. 5 here 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 6 8 and 8 plus 9 70. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 8 18. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So now this is the total population. Let's check once again. 8 plus 7 15. 5 here 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 12. 2 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 9 17. 7 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 8 18. And 1 plus 1 2. So let's put the comma now. So the total population of the 3 towns is 2,88,725. So I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to our next question. So a number is 65,280 more than the sum of this and this. Means there is a number and we have to find that number. It means there is a number, we don't know that number, which we have to find. So the number is this much number more. इतना ज़्यादा है किससे? The sum of this and this. Means when we do sum of this, a number will come, and the number which we have to find is that this much number more than sum of these two. Let's make this question smaller for your understanding. Let's take the first digit of all to understand it better. So let's read it now. A number is 6 more than. 6 ज़्यादा है. 6 more than the sum of 1 and 2. It means the number is 6 more than sum of 1 and 2. Sum means what? Plus. We have studied in previous class. Sum is plus. So when we do sum of 1 and 2, it became 3. and the number which we have to find is 6 more. So it means जो sum आया है उससे 6 ज्यादा कर देंगे, so we will get the required number. So our required number is here 9. So in the same way we have to do it in a full manner. A number is this much more than the sum of this and this number. So let us find the sum of these two first to make our number simpler. Sum of these two we will do. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer here is 3,93,415. We have to do this sum in 2 steps. So in first step, we have added these two numbers. So my answer here came out to be 3,93,415. Now the number which we have to find is this much more. इतना ज्यादा है इस number से. So students, remember this. Whenever more than thing will come, it means we have to find the more of it. Then also in that case we have to do the plus. So first we write the sum here. 3,93,415 and the number is this much more, so we will add this number. 65,280 we are going to add. So let's check what is the required number. 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 8 9, 4 plus 2 6, comma 3 plus 5 8, 9 plus 6 15, comma, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So our required number is 4,58,695. How we have taken? First we have done sum of these two and then added the given number which is more. So we have added this number. So my answer is 4,58,695. Let's look at third question. Okay, so a Mayur car costs rupees 5,56,750. A Hans car costs rupees 2,80,500 more than a Mayur car. So we can consider here Mayur and Hans as the name of a company. So the Mayur cars cost rupees 5,56,750 and the cars which Hans are producing are this much, 2,80,500 more than. Means if Mayur's car are price of this, then Hans car are this much more than. Let's take it in a simpler way. If my mother is giving me rupees 5 and giving my sister rupees 2 more than me, my mother is giving me rupees 5 and giving my sister rupees 2 more than me, it means she is giving my sister rupees 7. Means 5 plus 2 वो मुझसे 2 ज्यादा दे रही है उसको, so she is giving her rupees 7. Same ways, if Mayur cars is costing this, then Hans car is costing rupees 2,80,500 more than Mayur car. So how much does a Hans car cost? We need to find the cost of Hans car. So I told you whenever more than is there, and the situation is also telling that we need to do plus in this question because we need to find the more cost of that. So let's start writing the statements. Cost of Mayur car. So what is the cost of Mayur car? 5,56,750. A Hans car is not costing this. This is more than. So more cost of Hans car. How much more? 2,80,500. So what is the exact total cost of Hans car? Let's do it. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 5. 7 plus 5 12. 1 plus 6 7. 5 plus 8 13. And here 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the cost of Hans car is 8,37,250. So we can say the Hans car is costing rupees 8,37,250. I hope that's clear to you. From my side, class is over. Thank you.